In today's video, I'll show you on how you can insert a caption to an image in Google Docs. First things first, the simplest way to do this method is to just type a text below our supposed image. Let's say that my caption for this one is "This bike is amazing." From there, you also want to adjust your captioning. Let's say my image is going to be on the middle of the documents right here. And what you want to do is to simply change the wrap text to the middle one, which basically means that it will wrap the text around our image right here. So if I go ahead and fill out the entire space, it will then move it at the bottom, but if I move it this way, it will then move it to the top. So with this setting, we are able to freely move our image the way we want to, compared to the last time where we're locked into this aspect ratio right here and we simply cannot move it anywhere. Now, the second way to insert caption into your image in Google Docs is to just click on your image right here, and simply inside, you then want to look for the add comment button. With this one, you can just click on your page, click on add comment, and basically with this one, you want to type your caption right here. Let's say once again that this bike is amazing. From there, you can also tag the people that has access to this drive right here. And from there, you then want to click on comment. From there, we will have this comment at the side of our page where people could simply take a look at. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.